Hey learners, hope you all are doing well, and I'm sure you all are taking care of yourself. Let's continue with our Vedic Maths series. In the previous session, we started with multiplication of two numbers which are near to same base. Let's continue with the same topic by taking some more examples and discussing the other two remaining cases. So stay tuned till the end. In the previous session, we discussed about case 1. Both the numbers are lesser than the base. Now we'll take some more example in that case and then we'll continue with the other two cases as well. Okay, so one more example for your practice. 75 into 95. Now we have to multiply 75 into 95. But as I said, the first step is to consider base. So what is the base? In this case, both are near to 100. So our base is 100. So we have decided the base. Second step is find out deviation. That is how far they are from the base. So 75 is 25 before, that is minus 25, and 95 is minus 5, that is 5 before 100. So the deviations are found. Yes. Now next step is your solution, which is of two parts. First part is diagonally or crosswise addition. Now see, 75 minus 5 is also 70, and 95 minus 25 is also 70. That will be your first part. And the second part is multiplication of 25 with 5. Now remember, 25 with 5 is 125. Okay, but note that in this case the base is 100. And how many zeros are there in 100? 2. So your second part should contain two digits. But we are getting answer as 125. So it is overflowing. So keep 25 as it is in the second part, and 1 that is overflown, add it in the first part of your solution. See, I'm showing it this way. 125, that is 25 is kept as it is and 1 is carryover, and that 1 we are going to add in the first part, and therefore your final solution will be 7125. Okay, so 75 into 95 is 7125. I hope you're getting it, and I'm sure you're enjoying it. Okay, and that we can see in the increase in number of subscribers. We are approaching towards 1K subscriber, and we are coming with some new series, surprise series, once we reach 1K subscriber. Now we'll move with one more example. Let's take one more example in the same category, that is both the numbers are before the base or lesser than base. Now we want to multiply 986 with 989. Okay, first step is to decide base. Now can you tell me what is the base in this case? Obviously it is 1000. Okay, now base is decided 1000. Now find out deviation. Okay, so 98 is 14 before, that is minus 14. Okay, and 98 is 11 before 1000. Okay, means it is 11 lesser than 1000. So I'll write minus 11. Now you know the next step is finding out two parts of your solution. Now first part is diagonally or crosswise addition. So 98 minus 11, sorry, 986 minus 11 or 989 minus 14, you'll get the same answer, that is 975. Okay, and the second part is vertically multiplying. You know that, that is 14 into 11, and in the previous sessions we have discussed how to find out solution of multiplying any number with series of 1. Here we'll get 154. Is it clear to you? So the second part is 154. And as in our base, there are 30 and second part contains 3 digit. There is no overflow or you don't have to prepend any 0. Combine this both, that is your solution. Okay, so it is 9,75,152. Is it clear to you? Yes. Therefore, the solution is clear to you. We'll move to next example. Okay. Now next example is multiplying 994 into 988. Is it clear? Okay. Now we are taking many examples in this session, but many are requesting us for more examples. So kindly contact us on email. We'll sure provide you many more exercises for your practice. Now in this case, tell me, is the base fixed? What is the base? 1000. Okay. So next step is calculating deviation. So what is the deviation of 994 from 1000? It is minus 6. And can you tell me what is deviation of 988? Minus 12. Okay, clear? Now the solution, first part is crosswise or diagonally addition. So tell me 98 minus 6 is also 982 and 994 minus 12 is also 982. Okay, so first part is clear to you. Now second part is multiplying 12 with 6, which is 72. But as the base is 1000, it contains 30. So second part should contain 3 digit, but our answer is 72, which is 2 digit. So prepend it with 1 0 and it will give 072. Combine this both, that is your solution. I hope you are getting it. Isn't it? Yes. One more example quickly to wind up with today's session. Okay, 750 into 995. Can you tell me 750 is how far from the base and 995 is how far from the base? Can you tell me? The first step, as I said, first fix the base. What is base? Obviously, you can see from the example that it is 1000. Okay, so base is 1000, that is decided. Now next step is to find out deviation. Now can you tell me 750 is how much far from or how much lesser than 1000? It is minus 250, isn't it? Yes. And 995 is minus 5 lesser than 1000. Now quickly do the first part and the second part. Okay, now the first part is crosswise or diagonally. What we have to do, add. So 750 minus 5 is 745 and 995 minus 250 is also 945. That is your first part. And second part is 250 into 5. Now 25 into 5 is 125, put 1 0. Is it? Okay, so you will get 1250. But why I have put that one carry? Now you should realize it. Our base contains 30. Therefore, the second part should contain 3 digit. But we are getting 4 digit. So I have kept that 3 digit and 1 carry. Now put that 1 carry as addition in the first part. So our final answer will be 746 and 250. Is it? Okay. That's all for today. Keep learning, keep evolving, as I always keep telling. And don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you and God bless.